Welcome back. In this video, we're going to cover how to create a flat pattern. So here we've got our folded model. Model tree tells us that it's a folded model. We've got a face, two sets of flanges with different heights. And this is great. It allows us to work with our part in its final shape. But in order to get it from concept to reality, we have to process that sheet metal somehow. Laser, water jet, press, however you're going to form that flat pattern or development so that the part can be folded. And we do that with a flat pattern. So really simple. We click flat pattern up here, and it's going to automatically unfold our model, showing us all of our bend locations, where our bend lines need to be, our relief cuts, and this would then be ready to post-process into whatever machine language you are going to use, be it AutoCAD or proprietary software for the machine that you're going to use. So one thing about the flat pattern is if we sketch on here, it's going to say edits to the flat pattern are exclusively applied to the flat pattern. So it will not show up in the folded model. So say we needed to put a hole in here, okay? We would go ahead and delete that. We would need to make sure that we go back to the folded model. So we can either double click folded model in the model tree or click go to folded part, and then we can go to flat pattern as well. And so let's say we were going to put a couple of holes in here. This was some kind of a tray to mount to a wall. Those holes would need to go in the model, and then we would see them in the flat pattern. So if we went ahead and sketched on here, threw a couple points, I'm not going to take too much time to do this. And let's just throw a couple of holes in there, and we say OK. Now when we go to our flat pattern, those holes are located. Okay, so that would then, again, translate into whatever post-processing we were going to do to get that into a machine to make a sheet metal part. That's going to do it for this video. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.